In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate in Gemini. If you're already chatting with Gemini in your browser or in the app, translating text is as simple as telling it what you want. There's no need to switch screens or install anything extra. You stay right in the conversation and let Gemini handle the rest. Here's the idea. You write a clear request that includes your target language and the text you want translated. For a quick phrase, you might say something like, "Translate 'hello, how are you?' into Spanish." Gemini will immediately reply with the Spanish version. This is great for short messages, social posts, or everyday phrases when you need a fast answer. If you have a longer passage, you can give a little context and then paste the text directly into the chat. For example, you could write, "Translate this paragraph from English to Tagalog," and then paste the paragraph underneath. Gemini will return the full translation in the language you specified, keeping the content aligned with your original text. You can also use a template-style prompt if you prefer being extra clear. Try something like, "Please translate the following text to French," then paste what you want translated. Being specific about the target language helps Gemini deliver exactly what you need, especially if you're working with languages that have regional variations or shared vocabulary. A few tips to get the most accurate results. First, include any important details in your request, such as whether you want a casual or formal tone. That's useful for emails, announcements, or customer-facing messages. Second, if the formatting of your text matters, like line breaks or bullet-like spacing, mention that you'd like to keep the formatting. Third, if there are names, brand terms, or technical phrases that shouldn't be translated, say so in your prompt. After Gemini provides the translation, read it over to make sure it matches your intent. If you need adjustments, ask for them right in the same thread. You can say, "Make it more formal, simplify the wording, or keep the original product names in English." Gemini will refine the translation without making you start over. That's all there is to it. By simply telling Gemini what to translate and into which language, you can handle everything from a single sentence to a full paragraph in one place. It works across many languages right inside the chat, so you can move smoothly from drafting to translating without breaking your flow.